it going, everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be going over shipping and advanced RMA replacement. So this is for a situation where a customer has purchased one or many things and one or many of them has been broken or sent to them incorrectly, or maybe they received the wrong part. Whatever happened, we're going to be able to get that customer the correct item that they want or a replacement item. And this is how we're going to go about doing that. So we're going to go up to sales in the top bar here, click that, and then select sales orders from the drop down. This will then open up our sales order screen where we can either double click on the one that we actually are going to be doing an RMA on, or we can search in the top right if it is an older order that is not currently available on the front screen. But in my case, this is a completely sold and shipped order right here that we're going to do. So I'm going to double click to open in a new tab. Once it's open, you'll see that we have shipped 2 Dell Latitude E6420s to the customer. And if we want to do an RMA on this order, we just simply go up to the top right here and select Create RMA. So I'm going to click that. It'll open up the RMA page where by default both items are selected, but let's say only the one laptop is bad. So I'm going to uncheck this one and leave the top one checked. So this is the one that has an issue. Now on the right, we're going to select the return reason. So whether it's bad, broken, customer doesn't want it anymore. And these are important because your policies from your company may determine whether or not you're going to pay for shipping. So if you sent them something that was just broken and never worked, generally you would pay the return shipping. But if they decided they didn't want it anymore or they ordered the wrong item themselves, then they would probably be paying shipping back. But we're going to say here that this one is bad and that we're going to move forward from here. So next. Then we're going to select whether we're going to provide a return label, either yes or no, and we're going to put in an email for the return label to be sent to, such as email at a website. And then we're going to say that this is an advanced exchange. So we can also return for a refund, which would just be giving them their money back, and then they're going to send it back. Or we can say that it's going to be a credit only, which would just be returning the money to them and there would be no shipping involved. But we're going to do this one as an exchange, so we will then ship something to them. So we're going to say next. Then we're going to confirm the addresses of where it's coming from and where it's going to, and then we can set our package in here. So we're going to open this up, and that's going to say that this is coming back. We can put in the length, width, height, and weight of the package. So this is going to be, let's say, 10 by 10 by 7 with a weight of 12 pounds. Then we're going to select next. And then we're going to check the box saying to send an email to the customer now. And simply hit finish. Once that's done, we can then move back over to the sales order screen. And there will be a new sales order that has been generated for this RMA. So you see this is RMA number 109. Upon double clicking this, it will then want to send them a new version of the same thing that they had already bought. In this case, a Latitude E6420, at which point you can then allocate one from your system and move forward with the sales order in a standard fashion.